Hey, Susan Berkley back with the Inside Voiceover video training blog. This week we're going to answer some of the most embarrassing questions you might have fears about that people will ask you as you start your voiceover career. And these are questions about your rates because everybody gets nervous. What if someone asks me how much I charge or what I've done before I'm brand new? Well, I have got you covered this week. So here's the first answer to the rate question. If somebody says, what do you charge? A great answer is, well, look, it's impossible to answer right now since I have no idea what you need, or even if I can help you out. So why don't we start there? Tell me about the job. Now, that's a really nice open-ended question that will help you get more information about the prospect, and they will answer you, and you'll help build relationship. The next way to answer is kind of a little wise-ass way. So if a person says, so what do you charge? You might go, what do I charge? Well, it depends, anywhere from $300 to $30,000, depends on the size of the job. I'm happy to quote you if you have a specific script. And again, you're turning it back to them. You might get a little chuckle out of them, which helps build relationships. Now, what if they ask you, well, what have you done before? And that is a question that strikes dread into every beginner. Here's the way you get over that question. You say to them, well, my demo says it all. Why don't you tell me a little bit about the job and your business? So see how I've turned it back to them and you've answered it and taken it completely off the table. So those are my points this week. I'll be back next week with more Inside Voiceover.